Another place we like to eat a lot is at the Pizza Pirate. This place is open 24/7 and has a variety of pizza, generally pretty good. And there's your choices. Hopefully it's in focus. And there he is over there making his pizza.
Did it, and the murder of Mr. Body. And looking ahead, don't forget, today is elegant evening, so you're going to be dressed to impress, looking fly and fresh. And also, remember,
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.